This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon, but they only have an average guarantee. The TZK1 model is a basic 3-stage air purifier with a 215 square feet coverage area and a 3-speed fan with timer modes as well as aromatherapy pads. The unit does not have an onboard air quality sensor or Wi-Fi controls. The TZK2 model is a 4-stage purifier with the addition of a UVC light as well as an air quality sensor that gives a visual indication of room air quality through a 3-color light and can control the fan when the unit is in the auto mode. It has a 1,095 square feet coverage area with a 159 CFM delivery rate and a noise rating that is below the level of normal adult conversation even when the unit is operating in high speed. The units are very reasonably priced as an entry-level air purifier. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.